following portion of Acadiana Live is brought to you by Acadiana Elder Law Clinic.
Welcome back. Joining us in studio right now, we have David Groner with Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. Welcome back.
It's good to be back.
It's always great to have you and to see you. Okay, so we talk a lot about trusts. I think the big question is, how difficult is it? Because we were just talking, a lot of people think it's for millionaires.
Right.
But anyone could benefit from a trust.
That's exactly right. In fact, nowadays I find more people in middle-class America benefit from a trust than do millionaires. Originally, trusts were created to shelter millionaires from the tax consequences. But as the gift tax has gone up to $12 million, that really is not a big concern for a lot of people. The reason to do trusts nowadays primarily is to avoid probate and succession, the expense, delay, and hardship that creates. But nowadays also, people are losing their entire estates to nursing homes because they don't have long-term care insurance, and Medicare doesn't cover it like it was supposed to do. We were promised that. We paid into it. Now it doesn't cover nursing home. What do? The best way to do it, create a trust, and that way you remove your estate from being a countable asset, and then Medicaid can step in and pay the nursing home without depleting your estate if you ever get to that situation. Okay,
so let's say I wanted to do a trust. How do I figure out what assets I want to put in there?
Okay, great question, Taylor. So you want to put any asset that would require probate, such as your home, your inherited property, things like that. You want to put in a trust. That way it all avoids probate. You know, a trust sounds very complicated. But it's a legal instrument that's created, just like a corporation is a legal instrument that's created to run a business. Well, a trust is a legal instrument created to run your estate, to govern what happens to your estate once you're no longer here, and what happens while you're alive, that you get to enjoy the trust. You get to enjoy your assets that you've worked hard for. So there's a lot of good reasons to do a trust. Come to a workshop and find out those details.
And if you want to figure out where those workshops are, there's a number on your screen, so be sure to give it a call. But you also have 2 offices, one in Lafayette, one in New Iberia. How can people come visit you and set up a meeting?
Yeah, a lot of times people really don't want to ask questions, especially personal questions in a public forum. Come see me privately. I have an office in Lafayette, office in New Iberia, and I can answer your questions, and it's for free, just to see if this is something that you would benefit from for your estate, for your children. Happy to do so.
Well, David, as always, thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Good to be here.
It's always great to see you. We always learn something new. If you guys at home want to learn more about those workshops or you have a question, contact that number that you see on your screen. We're also going to put this on KLFY.com. Stay with us. We'll be right back after this.